Best Dark Spot Corrector with Hyaluronic, Glycolic and Kojic. Key West Health and Beauty Dark Spot Corrector Serum gives you the chance to turn back time to before you decided to spend the day at the beach in that itty bitty bikini without sunscreen. It's chocked full of beneficial ingredients, many of which are organic, all mixed together to form a delightfully lightweight, quickly absorbed cocktail. Use of a serum as a delivery system instead of a cream ensures that every bit of this product gets absorbed deep into the layers of your skin where you need it, instead of just sitting on top of it to be rinsed away the next time you wash your face. While I still do love to use cream because at 44 my skin is starting to age and become drier, I love using a serum first. That way I know that all of the ingredients I'm applying are actually getting to where they need to go. I just apply my cream on top of them. Does this product really work? Is probably the only thing you really care about, so I'll get to that. Yes, it does. It fades away dark spots, and increases cell turnover, which benefits you in so many other ways as well. I've been using it for about a month. I wanted to give it enough time to work so I could talk about actual results, and not just how it was packaged, and what it looks like. Week 1 I really didn't see any fading, or any other visual benefits. What I did notice was an increase of moisture retention in my skin, and by the end of the week my skin was brighter and rosier than before. By week 2 my freckles began to fade. I don't have a lot of them, but the ones I do have are pretty noticeable. Sometimes I think it's worse to have one big dark freckle along your forehead constantly drawing the eye of whoever's looking at you, instead of a whole crop of them. By week 3 I was well on my way to my freckles being gone. I also noticed the fine lines around my mouth were plumping up. Week 4 they have faded even more, and my skin seems to snap back faster when I pull on it, so I do believe that the elasticity is improving. I have decided to try it on other skin imperfections like stretch marks. I'll update this review once I have had an opportunity to see if that gives me any improvement. It's also worth saying that at no time since I began using it have I experienced any problems like breaking out, redness, or sensitivity to UVA and UVB. I received my bottle in exchange for giving an honest review, but I can definitely see the value of this product over others similar to it on the market. Not only because it's effective, but because you get at least twice the amount that you would get from some other product at the same price or higher. Thank you for taking the time to read my review. I am happy to answer any additional questions you may have. Nip Fab Glycolic Fix Body Gel. Moisturising Refining Body Lotion perfect for flaky or oily skin. Powerful glycolic acid combines with salicylic lactic acids to naturally exfoliate retexture, revealing instantly smoother, brighter looking skin. Authentic Relumins Advanced White Glycolic Peeling Gel. Work great and instantly peel off. I even let my son to try it. I highly recommend this product. Also looking forward for the facial cream. 10% Glycolic Acid Serum for Chemical Peel Pro Grade. Alpha hydroxy acid, also known as glycolic acid, is the one active ingredient for chemical peel, which promotes smoother, younger looking skin by increasing the rate of cell renewal. This serum is fortified by chitosan, beta-glucan, botanical extracts, vitamin Bs and C and moisturizers for soothing and hydrating skin. It is a high concentrate 50% professional grade, but is not burning or irritating to the skin as much as other 50% glycolic acid products, since the serum contains many calming and soothing active ingredients like chitosan, beta-glucan, ginseng, ginger, aloe vera, and green tea extracts. Offer 10%, 30%, 50% and 70% AHA serums in full size. You may have to dilute high concentrate of the serums of 50% and 70% for general skin rejuvenating. The higher concentrate is not necessarily better than the lower. Like to recommend you to combine the post-chemical peel serums and creams for a synergistic effects.